This is AI in ClickUp, a project management software. What makes ClickUp AI different from its competitors is that it offers you a large selection of forms for prompts that help you generate text. Before we look at this in detail, let me introduce myself. My name is Gregor. I worked in digital strategy consulting for 2 years, and on this channel I empower individuals to make better use of AI tools. Now back to ClickUp AI. ClickUp as a company is focused on saving its users time. Also, on his recent LinkedIn post about ClickUp AI, founder and CEO Seb Evans said, "At ClickUp, our mission is to make the world more productive. Time is the most valuable and most limited resource, and we are committed to giving you more of it." The unique way that ClickUp tries to help its users with this is by offering forms that make it easier and faster to write prompts for all kinds of business situations. Here you see just a few examples of forms that are useful for a product manager, and I will show you more in the demo after this. Besides these 100+ forms for prompts, ClickUp AI also offers interesting summary features, for example for user chat interactions. Other features serve as small helpers to quickly interact with text. Rather than talking about it in more detail here, let me show you all of these right in the software. Let's start with the prompt forms. This is done in ClickUp Documents, so let's open a new one, and right away you see a small selection of 6 prompts. We can get many more by selecting a department, like for example marketing. Here, let's say we want to create campaign ideas. As you see, the form now gives us relevant fields to fill in. For this example, let's generate a campaign idea for a VR headset for young male tech nerds that aims to increase engagement and boost future sales. We can choose a humorous tone of voice and make it highly creative. ClickUp now uses OpenAI models and generates this output. Here you're able to make changes once again, but for our purpose, let's just insert it. At this point, the software appears to have a bug because this button doesn't do anything for me. Instead, we can just copy the text, close this AI window and paste in the text. And that is just one out of many forms that you can use in this way. Next, let's take a look at the Summarize feature. One way to use this feature is right here in the document, where you can simply click it and get an overview about the whole document. In my view, this summary is still much longer than it should be, but at least this allows you to get an overview a bit faster than you otherwise could. Another very interesting place where they implemented the summary feature is for social interactions. To show you this, let me navigate to one of my tasks, Trello Video Research, where we have 8 comments. Instead of reading through all the comments, I can simply use the AI button here to get a summary of what everyone said. I think this feature is amazing, and I'm just waiting for someone to also implement this in private chats in places like, for example, WhatsApp. Now let's take a look at some other small AI functionalities that are also available in other project managers. For example, right here in this task, I can ask AI to generate a description. As before, the insert button isn't working, so we just copy over the text as a workaround for now. Once we have a text, we have various options to use AI for editing as well. If we type /, we have several options around AI at our disposal. We can, for example, simplify the writing, take a look at the result, and then replace the text with this. We can then also generate subtasks that can be assigned to team members. Alright, that is what you can do with AI in ClickUp. The first use case that makes it distinct is the support for generating documents via forms. You might wonder at this point, why a task manager would store documents in the first place. But that is just one of the features that makes ClickUp different from other task managers. So it sort of makes sense that they would double down on this to distinguish themselves from others. The second case to point out is the ability to summarize all kinds of text, including comments. At this point, the technology is not totally reliable, but the idea is great and very much aligned with ClickUp's vision to save their users time. What does it cost? First of all, ClickUp has various plans very similar to other task managers. What is an interesting difference though is that ClickUp charges $5 extra for AI per month and user. No one else does this yet, which indicates that ClickUp might be more confident about the extra value that AI can provide. And that is ClickUp, with its own unique and very interesting approach to AI. Once those features work better, they will align well with ClickUp's goal to save users time. There are, however, still a lot of improvements to be made and bugs to be fixed to get there. And then, many users might indeed find these AI features useful enough to pay an extra $5 per user and month. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so yet, and I'll see you in the next one.